2015 with a 2-foot porch, black with blackout, sitting on top of two 3,500 pound axles. I'm going to go over some of your water and power hookups real quick. At the front here we do have an extended tug with a generator platform, 50 amp electrical package. Come down here, we have your 30-gallon freshwater tank, your breaker system, your 12-volt battery, and your inverter system. Also with your hot water heater and water pump. When plugging up power, you want to make sure that the power source is off, whether it be a generator or a breaker system. Make sure that it's off. When you go to plug the cord in, you're going to push in, twist to the right, and tighten up your collar, and then you can turn on your generator or breaker system. When you're done, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn your generator or breaker system off, and then it's just reverse of what I said. Plugging in, you're going to push in, twist to the left, and then pull out, and then you're good to go. You can store your power cable down here in the V. Moving over here to your freshwater right here. Comes with a key right here. It'll be around the sink. You can open this up right here. You just plug your hose up in, just drop your hose in there and fill your 30-gallon tank like that, or you can screw it in right here and hard line it in, and then close that up like that. You do want to run some disinfectant into your water system every so often to keep bacteria from molding inside of your water system. If you come in here, you're going to see I have an air nozzle hooked up to a piece of PEX. This is for weatherization. Today, right now in Middle Tennessee, it's roughly about 34 degrees. Not really sure, but it's below freezing, that's for sure. And so what you want to do is when it gets cold like that, you want to make sure you weatherize your entire system. So what you'll do is you'll get you an air compressor, fill the tank with air, and then set the setting to about 30 psi on the compressor. Once you've completely emptied this tank, the way you do that is you turn this knob this way in line with the system, and the water will run out the bottom of the trailer right there. Once this tank is empty, you can close this up. You could close this knob up as well, and then you'll hook your compressor up to this line right here and turn this knob open. It'll start feeding air in, and what you'll want to do is go inside the trailer and open up all the faucets, hot and cold, and just let the air push all the water out of the system. It can take anywhere upwards to like 20 to 30 minutes, but as long as you have it set to 30 psi, you shouldn't blow any lines, you shouldn't blow anything that you shouldn't be blowing up, and you want to make sure you get all the water out of the lines. So just let it keep running out of the faucet until it sounds like it's just water coming, or just air coming out. It'll just like pss, 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 and then you're good. Once that's done, go ahead and close this line back up, and you're good to go. Make sure you do that whenever it gets cold. If you're in a northern state and you own this trailer, just make sure that you take that into accommodation when you're weatherizing. You know, you're not going to get all the water out of these lines, so you want to just do your best to get as much of it out. But so that's weatherization. Right here are your 3,500 pound axles. Behind this rubber grommet right here is a grease nipple. You're going to pop that off, hook your grease gun up to it, pump some grease into the axles. You want to do this every 6 to 8 months or every 10,000 miles. It'll just keep the maintenance of your trailer a lot longer. Come around to the back porch here. 2-foot back porch. This whole back part comes out, has these latches right here. You just push out, push in. Pretty simple. Might need 2 people to move that around. Come around here. Have your concession window. Your flip up counter. Just like so. Come around the inside of the trailer. So the inside does have AC heat, 2 LEDs. The nose, you do have a 3-bay sink along with the hand washing station, shelf above, secondary shelf below for additional storage. It does come with an extra switch for if you decide to put a hood in this later on. It's already wired up, so you can just purchase a hood and have it installed, and then you already have the switch. Your water pump switch is down here, on off. We'll come over here real quick and test the hot water. Got a thermostat here. So 95, 96, it's pretty good. And then cold water. Obviously don't need to be demonstrate necessarily, but 51 degrees right there. Here's your key to your city water fill. Come here, 2 switches for the lights inside and out. Alrighty, if you have any questions, feel free to call. This is Chris at SLE Equipment.